So in my opinion, there are 4 everyday carry essentials that I carry every single day. A wallet, a pen, a flashlight, and a knife. So I picked out 4 items here that could be essential in anybody's pocket. Let's check them out. So the first minimalist item I picked out is a wallet. This is the Minimalist Leather AirTag Wallet from Geometric Goods. The Minimalist Leather AirTag Wallet is made from Italian full-grain vegetable tan leather sourced from Tuscany. It features 2 card pockets. The main card pocket can hold between 4 to 6 credit cards and has a leather pull strap, and has a quick access card pocket on the outside that can hold 1 more card. You have your choice of 5 different leather colors, and of course I went with the brown color. And you also have your choice of 4 different rivet colors. I went with the antique brass rivets. Now the rivets aren't just here to look pretty. If you unscrew them, it'll reveal a hidden pocket where you can store your Apple AirTag. I think the functionality here is great. I love quick access card pockets like this. Super quick and easy to remove your card and put it back in. And the same thing goes for the main card pocket here. Just give that leather strap a pull out your cards, do the fan method. Yeah. Extremely functional. And if you're a cash carrier, don't worry, because technically you could use this quick access card pocket to hold your cash. That's right, just fold your bills into quarters and that card pocket now becomes a cash pocket. So this is why I think the Minimalist Leather AirTag Wallet from Geometric Goods is essential for everyday carry for the minimalist. And now let's move on to my next everyday carry essential for the minimalist. It's a pen, and I chose the Fisher Space Pen Backpacker. You guys know I love Fisher Space Pens, but I mainly talk about the Fisher Space Pen Bullet. I rarely talk about the Backpacker, and I'm not really sure why, because it's a fantastic pen for everyday carry. It's made from anodized aluminum, available in multiple colors. It features a keyring here to easily carry with your keys, your backpack, or even slap it on a carabiner. And inside it has a Fisher pressurized PR4 black ink medium point cartridge. That does everything Fisher Space Pens are known for. It can write upside down. It can write at any angle, underwater, through grease, and in temperatures anywhere from -30 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. When it's closed, it's only 4.09 inches, so I think that's perfect for everyday carry. But when it's open, it's still only 5.65 inches long, so I still think it's fairly compact, even at full size. And it feels very nice in your hands at 0.4 inches in width. But what I really like about the Backpacker here is right at the end, it contours right where you hold it, and this feels extremely comfortable in your hands. This is one feature the Bullet doesn't have, so that's a +1 point for the Fisher Space Pen Backpacker. And of course, with that PR4 medium point cartridge inside, it writes smooth as butter, just like every other Fisher Space Pen. This is why I chose the Backpacker as one of my everyday carry essentials. And now let's move on to my next choice. It's going to be a knife, and this time I chose the Benchmade Mini Osborne 945 BK1. When you need to carry a small, minimalist, compact knife but still need it functional, I don't think you can go wrong with the 945 Mini Osborne here. It packs all the features of the 940 Osborne into a small, compact body here in the 945. It has a sub 3-inch blade at 2.92 inches long. Total open length is only 6.76 inches long. And when it's closed, it's only 3.84 inches. It has one of my favorite blade shapes of all time for everyday carry, this reverse Tonto in S30V blade steel. And just check out how thin this blade stock here is at 0.104 inches. It's extremely slicey. And check out this gorgeous combination of the black G10 and these blue liners here with the blue barrel spacers. I love this look. And of course it has Benchmade's famous Axis lock, one of the most fidgetiest locks I can think of. So it should be a no-brainer why I chose the Mini Osborne 945 BK1 as one of my everyday carry essentials for the minimalist. And last but not least, I chose a flashlight, and that light is the Olight iMini keychain flashlight. I know a lot of you don't really see the need to carry an everyday flashlight, but once you do, you start to see how sorely it was missed. And for me, I like my flashlight small, compact, yet bright. And I don't think you can get more compact than the iMini from Olight here. It's only 1.38 inches in length and has a body diameter of 0.54 inches. But what I really like about this, it's so small and compact and just fits right on your keychain. And I know I said I like my EDC flashlights bright, and this is only 10 lumens, but that 10 lumens here is very, very deceiving. The iMini here gives plenty of light, especially when it's dark. And let's talk about convenience. There are no buttons on the iMini here. Basically, if you want to activate the light, just pull it from its magnetic base and it activates. And to turn it off, just reconnect it to its magnetic base. Boom. It's made from aluminum, available in a few different colors. It has an impact resistance of 1.5 meters, and it's powered by 3 LR41 button cell batteries that are easily replaced. The Olight iMini here is easily one of my favorite new everyday carry flashlights from Olight, and I think it's an absolute essential everyday carry item for a minimalist. Alright guys, what do you think of my 4 picks here? The Olight iMini, the Benchmade Mini Osborne 945 BK1, the Fisher Space Pen Backpacker, or the Minimalist Leather AirTag Wallet from Geometric Goods. Let me know what you guys think of my picks in the comments below, and give me some suggestions. I might just feature them in an upcoming video. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of my 4 everyday carry essentials for the minimalist? Now, if you want to check these out for yourself, I will put links down below in my description box. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!